It was here.
Running or walking?
It was running.
Everyone tells me the person I believed in the most
You ever run away from me again?
was really a monster. Remember the Marsh King? Help! Please, before he gets back!
Helena!
No, Father! Somebody! I'm his daughter.
I'll come find you, little shadow.
What are you doing in my house?
Your father escaped last night while being transported to Alger Penitentiary.
Your father?
Has he tried to contact you recently?
He doesn't know where I live. He doesn't know anything about me. I've never told anyone Jacob Holbrook is my father.
Who are these people?
The Marsh King was arrested 20 years ago when the woman he kidnapped and the daughter she gave birth to in captivity escaped.
I wish you would have told me the truth.
Has this been in your room the whole time?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God.
What's got you spooked? Is he here?
I have to do something. I can't tell you what it is.
You must always protect your family. And a real hunter needs a real knife.
You have got to get him out of your head.
He gave me this after my first kill. These were the only tears my father ever wanted to see.
We're gonna keep the doors locked.
I waited my whole life to see you again. I wasn't sure what I would feel when I did.
This is where we belong. It's our home.
Marigold!
There's nothing purer than the instinct to survive. It's time you finish the hunt.